Hey there, Liza Minnelli. Look at my Imagine. Probably tired of that 9-to-5 grind and ready to start making some passive income. Alright, well, you're in luck. There are plenty of ways to start generating passive income without breaking of the bank. Let's explore some passive income ideas that require little to no upfront cost. Passive income. What exactly is it? In simple terms, passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. It's the dream of making money while you sleep.
Oh, screw it.
With passive income, you can create an extra stream of income that can supplement your day job or even replace it.
Looks like you've been missing a lot of work lately.
I wouldn't say I've been missing it, Bob.
It can provide financial security and stability, allowing you to take control of your finances and live the life you want. Finally, passive income can also provide flexibility and freedom. Spend time with your family, with your friends.
I don't have friends. I got family.
Even travel the world, my brother. If you ever find yourself in a tough financial situation, having passive income can provide a safety net to fall back on. That's right, a safety net. Just fall back on that safety net. They'll catch you, because it loves you. The safety net loves you. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Passive income requires a significant amount of work and effort up front. It is not, and I repeat, not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Don't worry, man. I won't tell anyone either.
What is that? No, don't worry about him. He's cool.
And
All
it takes time and dedication to build a reliable stream of passive income. Whether it's creating a product, building a website, or learning a new skill, you'll need to put in the effort to get your passive income stream off the ground. Additionally, that's right, I said additionally, passive income can be unpredictable. While it can provide a reliable stream of income, it's not always consistent, man. I don't know what to tell you. Passive income streams can ebb and flow, just like the tide. Just think about the tide, washing you in and out while you sip your artisan wine on the beach. What's saying Maui? Oh yeah, collecting that passive income. There are many different ways to generate passive income, and each method has its own benefits and drawbacks. Let's start with creating and selling digital products online. Let's say you're knowledgeable about a certain topic. Writing an ebook can be a great way to share your knowledge, make some money. Ebooks can cover a variety of topics, man, from self-help to cooking to finance. Online courses, that's another digital product right there. If you have an expertise in a certain area, creating an online course can be a great way to share your knowledge and make some money. Dollar bills, y'all. Online courses can cover anything from learning a new skill to preparing for a test. That's right, you ever heard the GRE, the LSAT, the MCAT? Man, those tests are tough. Finally, stock photos, man. That's a popular digital product right there. If you're a skilled photographer, selling your photos on a stock photo website, there are many, can be a great way to generate passive income. Businesses, video creators, just individuals making a freaking wedding video. I don't know. They all need stock photos. Everybody needs stock photos.
Once again, things that could have been brought to my attention yesterday!
If you can take photos, they'll put them on a stock site, start making some money. But, how do you get started creating and selling digital products? First, you need to identify your area of expertise. Do you take good photos? Can you write? Do you cook a mad cake? Can you make the best peanut butter and jelly sandwich ever made on the face of the earth? I want to know about it, and I'll buy your course on how to make it. What do you know? What are other people going to be interested in? Once you've identified these areas, you can start creating a product. For ebooks, you'll need to write your book in a format for e-readers like the Kindle. There are many self-publishing platforms available. Amazon's Kindle, Direct Publishing, Barnes & Noble's Nook thing, the iPad iBook store. These can all help you get your ebook in front of readers. For online courses, you'll need to create some high-quality video content that covers your topic. You can use platforms like Udemy or Teachable or Skillshare. We've all heard of them. They'll all host your course, as long as it's a quality course. You gotta know what you're talking about. The first stock photos, you'll need to take high quality photos. Like, you gotta get good at it. And then you'll have to upload them to stock photo websites, of which there are many. Shutterstock, iStock, Storyblocks, just tons of them. These websites will take care of marketing and selling your photos for you-ish. They're gonna give you good search terms, but it's not gonna hurt for you to get an Instagram account or do some Facebook marketing yourself. But creating digital products isn't without its drawbacks. It can take a lot of time and effort to create a high quality product. And there's always a risk that your product won't sell the way you hoped, You're not gonna get it on the first shot. You gotta keep working at it. Additionally, there's a lot of competition in the digital product space. You'll need to make sure that your products stand out from the crowd and provide real value.
What you get is the extra value.
You know what I'm saying?
What do you want with your fries?
That being said, there are many benefits to creating and selling digital products. First and foremost, once you've created your product, it can continue to generate income for years to come with little to no additional effort on your part. That means you can sleep and you'll still be making those dollar bills, y'all. Additionally, digital products can be sold for relatively high prices, allowing you to earn a significant amount of money for each sale. The higher your value, the better your product is, the more you can charge. That's basic marketing 101, man. Supply and demand, bro. Creating and selling digital products can provide you with a sense of fulfillment and purpose. You'll be sharing knowledge and expertise with others and helping them improve their lives in the process while you make some money. You know what I'm saying? Money. One question that often comes up with creating and selling digital products is, how long is it going to take to make money? Like $100. How long is it going to take to make $100? Well, the answer isn't always straightforward. Sorry, came to the wrong place for that. As there are a number of factors that can impact how quickly you'll start making money from your digital products. First and foremost, it's important to understand that creating and selling digital products is a long game. It's rare to start making significant money overnight, but with patience, persistence, and hard work, that's right, all three of them, it is possible to build a steady stream of passive income over time. Let's start with eBooks. How long is it going to take you to make some money with an ebook? Ebooks can range price from a few dollars up to $50 or more, depending on the length and topic of the book. If you're selling your ebook for $5, you gotta sell 20 copies to get $100. How are you gonna do that? Well, identify a niche. You love those Fast and Furious movies, but you've always wanted to see Vinny D's in The Rock. Well, write some fanfic, man. I bet you'll sell 20 copies of that in no time. Next, online courses. Online courses can be sold for significantly more than ebooks in most cases. If you're selling an online course for $100, you need to sell only one copy to make $100. Now, don't get excited. You likely won't be able to do that right at the beginning, but if you can build up a reputation for yourself for making quality products, people will pay that much for it. Finally, stock photos. Those are usually sold with prices ranging from a few dollars to a few $100s or more. Depending on how much you're charging per package, you could potentially make $100 on just a few sales, but it's much more likely that it's going to take you a few months or maybe even a year to build up a portfolio that will yield consistent income. If you've written an ebook on a popular topic, you may be able to generate sales relatively quickly. That is, if you've done your research and identified your target audience. On the other hand, if you're selling stock photos in a highly competitive market, it may take longer to start generating consistent sales. If you're selling an online course, you'll need to invest time and effort into creating high-quality video content.
Production value, showmanship. You rolling? Yeah, rolling. Okay. Start the dollar.
Marketing your course and building your audience. This can take time. With persistence, you can start generating sales and making money. Ultimately, there's no set timeline on making consistent passive income. Could happen within a few days. However, that's doubtful. Or it could take several weeks or even months. But the key is to stay focused and create high-quality products. Identify your target audience and put in the effort to market and promote your products. Generating passive income is a long game that will take trial and error and a lot of persistence. Creating digital products is a part of that long game. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to generate income over time. So, be patient, stay focused, and keep working toward your goals, man. And eventually, you'll start seeing results. This is part 1 of a 3-part series on passive income, so go watch part 2. It deals with content creation, like being a YouTube creator, a podcaster, or starting a Patreon page. We'll include a link in the description below to our 3-part playlist. We have a lot of videos about making money online, so we would love for you to explore our channel. And we would truly appreciate it if you would like and subscribe.